Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install fonts on Windows 11 quickly and easily. Whether you're designing something cool or just want to personalize your system, installing new fonts is super simple. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for a font website like Google Fonts, Dafont, or Font Squirrel. Pick a font you like and download it to your computer. It will usually come as a zip file. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder and find the zip file. Right-click on it and choose Extract All. This will unzip the folder so you can access the actual font files inside. Look for files that end with .tf or .if. These are the fonts files you need. TrueType and OpenType formats are both supported by Windows 11. Now installing the font is easy. Just double-click on the .tf or .tf file and a preview window will pop up showing what the font looks like. At the top of this window, click the Install button. Windows will take just a second, and that's it. The font is now installed and ready to use in apps like Microsoft Word, Photoshop, and even some browsers. Alternatively, you can also install fonts by dragging and dropping them. Just open the Settings app, go to Personalization, then click Fonts. Now drag your font files into that box and Windows will install them instantly. If you're logged in with a Microsoft account that has admin privileges, the fonts will be installed system-wide. If not, they will be installed just for your user account to check if the font installed correctly. Open a program like Word or PowerPoint and look for your new font in the font drop-down list. You should see it there ready to use. And that's it. Now you know how to install fonts in Windows 11 like a pro. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.